Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami bunny candy holder. This is a 2D model which can be converted into 3D model to use it as a goodies holder. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top. I'll be starting with the cross crease. Fold the paper into half. Then bring these two sides to the center crease. This is called as cupboard base. Now bring these two sides to the center crease. Open the flaps and here to the second crease line, bring the bottom flap. Now you can see a crease line over here. Place your finger here and move the flap and bring the strip on this line. Then make a new crease. Turn the model. Fold back the flap on this crease line. Now fold up the flap, then bring this diagonal fold to make the ear. Here you can see a triangle. Do the inside reverse fold. Then do a diagonal fold over here. Make a sharp crease. Then open the flaps. Then do the mountain fold in this M shape. Lift one flap and place it towards your left hand side. Then fold it into half. Repeat the same thing for the bottom flap too. Fold the flap inside on this crease line. Do the finishing to the ears as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now here fold a small triangle to give the face shape to the bunny. You can open here to convert the 2D model into 3D model and use it as a candy holder. origami bunny candy holder is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.